Hey, it's your girl Anika Slay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. I want to thank all of my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. God knows I am grateful for you guys, all of my OGs. Thank you for being here from the start, and I'm just happy to have you guys. I'm very grateful. I'm very humble. Hopefully we can get more subscribers, and I hope you guys enjoy this YouTube video, this tutorial. It's Knotless. Please enjoy. Also want to point out, my scalp may look very dry, but when you use that booster edge and it sits for a while, it tends to turn white a little bit, especially if you use a lot on like little parts or anything like that. It starts to turn white. I just want to say that is not dandruff in my hair, so please don't come for me or pick on me. Thank you guys for watching. Please enjoy this tutorial.
Agents on the beat.
So I am finished with the knotless. I was going to style it a little bit for you guys to get a feel of how I kind of want to wear it. Yeah, that if you're wondering what I am doing. Ooh, I cannot talk. Jesus. It just will not come out. But I am styling it to see how I would like to wear it. Eventually I ended up going with my hair just being down. I did a little edges, then I got dressed up, went to a little party with my mother, had some drinks. It was a fun night. You will see at the end of the video. But thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am always open to any suggestions on anything you guys would like to see. So if there's anything, let me know. Feel free to talk to me. Me Casa Hair is you Casa Hair. Just let me know. Thank you. Like I was telling you guys, I was doing a little styles in my hair. They weren't bad. They just weren't the styles that I was going for the occasion. But I definitely wore them like that before, and you know, it turned out very beautiful. We're basically coming to the end of this tutorial. I am so glad you guys have come back to watch me. I must be doing something right. Like I said, if you have any suggestions on anything you would like me to do, I am all ears. Because when I slay, you slay. When Anika slay, we all slay. So, like I said, thank you guys so very much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much, because your girl can always use the subscribes. Bye, you guys. Please excuse the cuss word in my video. I really meant to put messed up, but I was up there with them drinks. I was feeling it. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.